Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again, I'm back with another update on Zora token on the Zora. So I have covered this token a lot, as you can see, and this is from my last video. And when the token was somewhere around 7.6, I had these two setups. The first one was that it continues to go up, and it did, and the second one was this one. But again, the first one worked, as you can see, and the token as of now is at the exact level that I drew, so somewhere around like 12 cent. Now I have covered this token a lot, so but if you are new to if you are like new and if you don't know about the Zora is basically like Instagram but on chain, and every post is a coin, and they also have a creator tokens that basically helped Zora to hit a new all-time high. And the Zora has a market cap of like around 500 million, as you can see, and it is like one of the biggest token on the base network. And the reason why the Zora has like seen these massive gains is because of the base and the success of base as well, I would say. Now if you look here, this move happened because of like three things, I think. So the first one is that they introduced Belief Fund. As you can see, Zora's mission is to build new creator economy, so Belief Fund will accelerate this by supporting the most promising next gen of creators with 20 million Zora to start. So I would say that is like really good. And after that, they had like this announcement as well, so they are like working on live feature, so that could be really good one. And I think that is like one of the reasons why the token has been surging as well. And last but not least, there is like a big update from the base itself. So there is like this base app, as you can see. So they are launching creator coins, and as of now this is like in this will start with a small group to shape the foundation, but this is going to be a big one. So again, this is built with Zora on the base app. So basically Zora is basically like building this, so that is like really good for the Zora. And overall, these creator tokens do come from the Zora, so I think that's really good. Now all of that has had a really good impact on its price, and the token is like, it seems like that it wants to go for that new all-time high, and pretty much soon I think it may actually be possible. So we'll see if that happens or not. But if we talk about the Zora token itself, so if you don't know about its tokenomics, Zora itself is supposed to be a meme coin, to be honest, from the initial like announcement. But after that, it has transitioned into like a lot more, and because of that, the token has had a really good demand. Now, as of now, if you look at its tokenomics, it has a max supply of like 10 billion, out of which 4.4 billion is in the circulation, and the token does have a monthly unlock. So that is a bit of a problem. So basically, it did not have any unlocks till August or September, as you can see. So like if we just go to its price, so the token had no unlocks till here, as you can see. But right after the unlocks that happened somewhere around here, the token started to see a massive sell pressure, and after the hitting like 4.1 cent, the token started to go up again. And I think that is because the demand was just too much. But again, this sell pressure happened because of these token unlocks, and as of now we have like investors getting over the investors are like receiving around 5 million worth of tokens each, also 10 million worth of tokens each month. And there is also a team that gets like around 7 million, like $7 million worth of tokens each month, and that will continue to happen till 2018. So if its market cap doesn't go up, let's say that if its growth stops, and if it doesn't go as high as 1 billion or even higher than that, I think the Zora could actually struggle because of these massive token unlocks. But as of now, the hype is just too much, I think, and because of that, it is like going up. So as of now, I think we can expect a new all-time high from the Zora itself. So as of now, it is in the small correction, and it can do this. So I'll just delete everything and we'll look at it from a fresh perspective. So as of now, I would be looking at like move, let's see, Just a second, let it load up. I think okay, so this is how it looks like. So as of now, if Zora breaks like this 12.5 cent, let's say that if it breaks this high, I think the possibility of it going as high as like 14.8 cent is there if it breaks like this level, which is somewhere around 12.7 cent. Again, this is a really strong resistance because it continues to reject around here. So again, if it doesn't break this, the token will most likely go down, I would say, as low as this trend line, which is going to be somewhere around 5.3 cent, and I think that is going to be a really good buy point for this token. But again, as of now it is trying to break this level. So if Zora can flip this, let's say that it does this, so let's say that after a small correction it continues to go up, and if it can break this, I think the possibility of it going as high as like 14.8 is going to be really high. And if it can flip this high again, I think it will most likely continue to run. So like again, if we look at its market cap, it's not that high, it's only around 500 million. I think Zora can do 1 billion because of what it is, and if their platform continues to grow, I think 1 billion should be possible for the Zora. So I think again, if it does go as high as 1 billion, that means we could see like over 100% surge. So again, price of Zora could go as high as 20 cent as of now if its market cap goes as high as 1 billion. But again, you have to understand that the token does have a monthly sell pressure, and that could be really bad for this token. So again, if we just try to analyze what happened, so basically when they launched the token, they had like a 6 months cliff, and after that the investors as well as like the team like now they are getting their tokens on a monthly basis. And as of now, if you look at the investors allocation, so investors do get like over 2.61 billion tokens, and whereas the team gets like 1.89 billion tokens, so that is a massive amount. And again, I think they may actually not sell all of it, but again they will most likely book some profit, and again that will have a really big, I would say, impact on its price as well. And again, even if you look here, the token has been struggling to hit a new all-time high. So if there were no token unlocks, let's say that if this was like a 1 year cliff, I think Zora could have actually gone even higher, possibly hitting like 20 cent or even like 30 cent by now. But again, because of this massive sell pressure, I think the token is struggling as of now. But again, it still has relatively low market cap, I would say, and if it does do 1 billion, or if they do announce something else, I think it can do that 20 cent. We'll wait and see what happens. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.